Hello everyone, this is me Vijalakshmi here. Hope all are doing good. Let me tell a quick story now. There was a king who literally suffered from a bad disease. So the kingdom's chief doctor advised king to have a medicine that is available at the mountain hill top, but it is very risky to take. So he proceeded like this. So there will be a old lady sitting under the tree, and everyone who is passing that way should listen to that lady. Okay, yes. So one of his king's son, came forward and said, I will go there and get that medicine. Please tell me the rules. You have to just follow. Swamiji said, just you have to follow the old lady's instruction. So he happily left the place to get the medicine. Yes, when he went to the place, he saw the old lady, and old lady advised him like this: I'll be coming back of you, and you have to go in front of me, and you should not turn back and see whether I'm coming back on you. This is the first condition. And the second condition is that when you're going, when on your path, there will be so many people coming opposite to you, but you should not react to that people. This is the second condition. If you meet these two conditions, then you will get that particular medicine. Okay, he said, okay, I'll do that. So when they started their way, all of a sudden the anklet sound of that old lady stopped. So his king's first son turned back and saw, and he became a statue, because that's the first rule. He missed the first rule, so he became a statue there. So the second son came there, and he wished he would get that medicine and save his dad. So he went to that path. Again, the same old lady came back to him, and then, like same way when they were going, suddenly the anklet sound stopped. So he did not turn back this time. Second sound, he did not turn back. Instead, he kept walking. While he was walking on the path, he saw a beautiful girl smiling at him, and he got distracted by the girl, and like was like, did you know where that medicine, madam? Oh, that's it. He has become a statue again. Now king's son started the path. Yes, he again started with the same rule, so that old lady is in his back, and then she advised him with the direction he is moving. Again, the same anklet sound is missing, but he did not stop. He kept on the way, and he saw a beautiful lady coming across to him in a smiling face. But he did not get distracted. He just followed the pathway that he wants. His aim is only to get the medicine. So he just got the medicine, and while getting back the medicine, he gave it to his two brothers who were statues also, and they turned back to their normal position, and he gave the medicine to his dad, and finally the story ends here. So that's it. Yes, when we are having some goal, we will be distracted by so many things: criticisms, failures, problems, and all those will be there in our path. We should not stop our path. We should work towards our goal. This is best story for the teenagers. When in teenagers life there will be so many distractions for them, peer pressure. So just to avoid that, please set a goal for you and focus on the goal. Don't get distracted with all these peer pressures. And we adults, when we fix our goal to particular place or particular success or particular goal or anything, just fix your mind. There will be lots of thorns, stones, failures, and you will have lots of criticism in your path. But please don't stop and listen to all those things. Just focus on your path and succeed in your life. That's it. Be positive, spread positivity. Hope you like my story, and please like, follow, subscribe, and share my stories. Thank you for supporting me.